The Manhattan is a classic cocktail that combines whiskey, sweet vermouth, and bitters. Known for its smooth and rich flavors, it's typically served in a martini or coupe glass and garnished with a cherry. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces rye whiskey. Bourbon can be used as an alternative. 1 ounce sweet vermouth. 2 dashes Angostura bitters. 1 maraschino cherry, for garnish. For equipment you will need mixing glass, bar spoon, jigger, strainer, martini or coupe glass. Here are the instructions. Fill a mixing glass with ice. Add rye whiskey, sweet vermouth, and Angostura bitters into the mixing glass. Stir well until the mixture is well chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini or coupe glass. Garnish with a maraschino cherry. The Manhattan cocktail is rumored to have been invented at the Manhattan Club in New York City in the early 1870s for a banquet hosted by Lady Randolph Churchill, Winston Churchill's mother.